If you have encountered the error #1046 no database selected while importing SQL files into phpMyAdmin, you are not alone. This common issue arises when you forget to choose the database from the left-hand side or neglect to create an empty database before importing. Here's a simple solution to resolve it. First, take note of the database name mentioned in the error message. Navigate to the Databases tab and enter the same database name. Click on Create to generate an empty database with that name. Once the database is created, select it from the left-hand menu. Now retry importing the SQL file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore my other videos and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.